Hello, all the educated people. Welcome back to my channel. So, previous video, you guys to know about that last 20 University of United States. So, today I am going to brief about top 20 university in United States, which are really very good. So you can apply on that university, and also you can know this 20 university. So number one is Stanford University. Stanford is one of the world's leading research and teaching institutions, catalyzing discovery, accelerating solutions, sustaining life of earth, and preparing. So how many academic department it has? It has business, art, education, engineering, humanities, science, law, medicine. So guys, you can easily apply this academic department. Business, you can read on art, you can read education, engineering, humanities, and also you can study at law and also medicine in this university. This is Stanford University. I will give a description in comment section about this university. So how could you admission? Hmm. Oh, this university graduates students almost 9,292, and undergraduate students are 7,645. Also here study almost 77 countries students. Can you believe it? This is not a small number. This is actually vast number. Then number second, Massachusetts Institute of Cambridge. So guys, develop an analytical abilities, decision making skills, and how to execute strategies. This program emphasizes quantity analytics skills and entrepreneurial spirit. Stanford, Massachusetts universities has some policies. If you go to their website, then you can show a page where you can you have get a form fill up your first name, last name, and email address. Then you can apply. So number third is Harvard University. Since our childhood, we always and already know about it. Harvard University was most popular and evergreen university. So Harvard, immerse yourself in real world learning. Gain the skills to excel in the world business. Don't miss the application window for our world renowned. You can earn. Harvard University is a private live research university in Cambridge, Massachusetts. Founded in 1636 as Harvard College and named for its first benefactor, the Persian collaboration and John Harvard. So guys, this you can find out anything about it at Google. So it has so many courses in Harvard University, online courses, closed platform, and also others information, business essential, leadership management, then entrepreneurship and innovation and strategy. These courses are very short courses, individual courses, finance and accounting, business in society. So these courses you can do easily. Harvard Business Schools online websites. Here you can pay each and every courses. Some courses are very effective, and some courses 10 or 17 weeks per day, 8 or 15 hours week apply to November 14. This has a very large amount, almost $250 you need to pay. Credential of readiness, then business analytics, economics for manager, then financial accounting. These courses are also very demandable, and these courses price are also high. Business analytics course price you need to pay for this course is 1750 taka. Then economics for managers you need to pay 1750 taka. So guys, our fourth university is California Institute. So this California Institute is a undergraduate business program college. You can apply here if you love. The California Tech is a private research university in Pasadena, California. The university is known for its strength in science and engineering. If you love science and engineering, then you can easily apply on this. Then our number 5 is Princeton University. Princeton University is a private Ivy League research university which founded in New Jersey in 1746. So in Elizabeth, as the College of New Jersey is the fourth oldest institution. Then University of California. The University of California, Berkeley is a public land grant research university in Berkeley. It established in 1868. Then Yale University. Yale University is a private league research university in New Haven. It founded in 71 as the collegiate school. It is the third oldest institution of higher education in the new United States. Then University of Pennsylvania. So the University of Pennsylvania is a private league research university in Philadelphia. It established in 1740 by Benjamin Franklin. Guys, Benjamin Franklin established this university, so it is very important to know, right? So it is the fourth oldest institution of higher education in United States. The University of Chicago. The University of Chicago is a private research university in Chicago which is established. The University of Chicago is constantly ranked among the most universities in the West, for it's among the most selective in the United States. Cornell University is a private league and statutory a grant research university based in Atlanta, New York. Then Columbia University. Columbia University is a private university established in 1754 as a King's College on the grounds of Trinity Church in Manhattan. Then we have Johns Hopkins University. Johns Hopkins University is situated and founded in 1876 in United States. Then Duke University. Duke University is a private university in North California, founded by Methodist and quick present by the town of 1838. Then University of California, then University of Northwestern, the University of Texas, University of Texas. The University of Texas at Austin is a public research university in Austin, Texas. It was founded in 1883. The oldest University of Texas system. Then New York University. New York University is a private university which established in 1831. Then Georgia Institute of Atlanta, the Georgia Institute of Technology, commonly referred to as a Georgia Tech or State of Georgia Tech University. University of Carnegie Mellon University is a private research university based in Pittsburgh. The university is a result of merger and the Carnegie Institution of Technology and the Mellon Institution. University of Florida, University of Virginia, then University Rice University, Brown University, University. There are lots of actually university in United States, those which are very well established and which are really get impact in all over the world. So guys, if you want to do a study in United States, any university, then you can apply it on these universities. These are actually so good, so I brief on these universities today. So I will tell you more about in my another video about this in this universities and how could you apply on this university. Until that time, stay connected with me, and thanks for watching this video. So what will we learn to next, then please inform me. I'll try to explain more universities in other country. What do you learn in German university or Italy university or Japanese universities, top 20 in this world. So today I am going to end this video. Thanks for watching this video. Stay connected with me.